Sunday's weather.
This is 2019 Honda Pilot. We're going to do an Android radio. Customer purchased this one online. The first step is to remove this the gray trim on the bottom. You just simply pull. On both sides. Okay, so remove 3 screws holding onto the silver trim. You can either pull this out, or if you remove this thing's going to pop out. So like that. Okay. On the bottom of the radio display, there are 2 8mm at my fingertip. One here, one there. We're going to remove them.
No feet. No.
It's very difficult to do it, so we're going to take this bottom pocket out. So remove 4 screws and bottom pocket should come out. Put it on the side, now you can access the bottom. Those are 8mm, by the way. So we're just going to loosen up. You can take it out, but just loosen that up and it's going to slide out. I hope. I'm using a prybar. It's very tight. You just grab it on the bottom. You just pull the entire face out. So again, we did not take the 8mm out. We just simply loosen that up because it has a cutout. It has a cutout. So once you loosen those 2, you can actually pry the entire radio chassis out. They are very tight because of the locking tabs all over the place, which we're going to transfer over to the new one. Let's disconnect all the plugs. Push the little locking tab and slide away. Push the middle pins. Everything is disconnected. Okay. So we're going to connect all the harnesses provided by the manufacturer. That is a CAN module. You need to have that, otherwise car information is not going to show. So you need to plug that in. This is a CAN wire, so that needs to be connected in the car and on the radio side. And everything else plugs into the factory side. No antenna adapter? Yes. No CAN wire. He doesn't have RCAs? We gotta have RCAs.
This is the camera.
Okay. Yes, plug it in. It'll plug. It's okay, plug it in. So we're gonna plug it in. Alright, let's temporarily put it on. So that's the car information. Just put it in reverse. That's good. So we gotta change the resolution of that. That's the reboot. Go back. Well, again, you gotta put your 2 fingers on it and you go into menu. Okay, look, why doesn't it go into menu anymore? What is it, one-time use? We were able to get to the menu by doing this before. Make sure if it's a scramble, make sure you select CDSB, CDBS, whatever that is. That's a regular RCA input, and confirm to save it, and it's going to reboot, and it works like that. Alright, so you got to set the car information because the steering wheel doesn't work. Factory setup. Okay, so 1234 is the factory setup password. And we're going to go down to CAN settings and select the name of the CAN module, which is simple. Go to Honda. Go to CRV.
This is not
Oh, pilot. Pilot here. So this does not have a 19. This is 19, but it shows a 12. I'm just gonna reset and see if it works. Okay, that didn't work, so we're gonna upgrade the CAN bus module. We gotta connect the Wi-Fi. So you gotta use your cell phone's hotspot and go to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Anything with the settings, you can go to the factory setup. Move it about. The factory setup. Set about and check for updates. Click that. There's a CAN bus update. You can update the CAN bus. Hopefully that fixes it. So I'm going to pause. It's going to take a while. So we found out everything is working except there's one harness that doesn't match. This one, I believe this is what controls the steering wheel. We update the firmware. It still doesn't give me a 19 Honda Pilot. I'm just going to leave it the way it is for now. This is where the backup CAN gets connected. It says the reverse CAN here, and that gets connected. This is a factory reverse CAN. Under the radio settings, you have to select the region. It was on Asia, so you got to put North America. And hit OK. Now back to CAN settings. We update the firmware, but didn't make any difference. Let's try one more time. See, it doesn't give me the 19. It says 2012. It doesn't give me any other information besides that. Okay. This CAN module did not work. We do have another CAN module I replaced with. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the RZ, it's a Razor. This is what he had.
It's simple.
So this one, this is a simple, this is a Razor. And that one does work with controls on the wheel. So that makes it work. That one controls the volume up and down, tuning up and down. Whereas this simple one did not work. So we're going to put this one in and everything is working. So we got new airvent on new radio and the clips on the side, and you're just going to snap it in, everything should be fine. It looks beautiful. I like this video. Great picture. Reverse. Reverse CAN works. Yummy. Obviously, this does not have any way to put 8 mils underneath. It just clips on the side and that holds it in place. So put this back in. 4 screws. The top ones. 3 screws. This clip that goes on the top. Good. Nothing to it.